Question 20th. It's about diffraction. What is diffraction? Diffraction is the phenomenon when you got light travel through a little pinhole, then it doesn't not only go through it, transmitted through it, but also spread out. So that's why, for example, if you got a grating, which means that you got many pinhole on it, okay? Here it just draw some representative, so just 2 pinhole, but you have many of them. And then you can see that the light got spread out. So on the screen, whenever you see the maxima like this, that will be they're asking us to find how many diffraction maxima presented in the transmitted light. So if you have a look at the data booklet again, you will find the 2 equations. The first one is the theta equals to lambda, which is the wavelength of inches, and over the b. B here is actually the width of the pinhole, okay? And then we have the second equation, which is n lambda equals to d times sine theta. So theta here is the angle of the spread, okay? If you got the position where you observe the maximums here, then if you connect this line to this one, then this is the angle theta of inches we're talking about. And d here will be the distance between the 2 adjacent pinhole, okay? That's the d here. So the theta, you can see the largest possible angle it can go up to is 90 degrees, right? So the n here will be the integer values. So for example, if you got this one equals n lambda equals this one also 2.8 lambda, and then you have the maximum angle can go up to 90, right? So sine of 90 to be 1, right? So you can see that not when you got the angle to be 90, you don't have this one qualified, right? So the angle should be somewhere less than 90, but then you can see what is the possible value n can be. When you got n equals to 1, right, then you got this one turns out to be lambda equals 2.5 lambda times with sine theta, right? Lambda cancel out. Then you can find sine theta equals to 1 divided by 2.8. So the theta around, let me find sine 1 over. Okay, that's the arc side. So it's about 20.9 degrees. Okay, so when you got n equals to 2, then this is 2 lambda equals 2.8 lambda times with sine. This is that's the angle 1, this is the angle 2. Okay, then you can find this theta 2 equals to cancel out. So basically that would be 2 divided by 2 times a equal to sine of this one, right? So the angle should be about 40.6 degree. Okay, so what does it mean? Oh, you can also have n when it equal to 0 as well. I forgot about that, sorry. So the one equal to the sine, so the angle to be 0. So here at the center, okay, when the angle is 0, you should have the center maxima, right? This is the position, one of it. And then when you spread the angle a little bit more, about 21 degree, then you got the first maxima. And if you go further, 45 somewhere here, you can see there's another maxima. This is when n is integer, and integer it means it can also be n equals to -1 or n equals to -2, right? And why we don't have n equals to 3? Because this is just 2.8, right? It cannot go more than 2.8. So that's why you just have one here when n equals to 0, another one here when n equals to 1, another one here when n equals to 2, and then you have another one when n equals to -1 and when n equals to -2. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sense? So whenever you have this question to be some numbers of lambda, see the range of it, how many integer you can have within that range. Does that make sense? So the answer is 5. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you.